Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P80. In this video I'll show you first setup of the smartphone. As you can see on this smartphone, the first setup looks like selecting from bubbles. Firstly, we have to select our language. Luckily it's alphabetical. Next, tap Get Started and select your region. Continue. Now enter SIM card or add a SIM or skip. Now enter Wi-Fi password to connect to your Wi-Fi. Tap Continue. Now you can set up Face ID, fingerprint ID, or you can set up lock screen password, or do it later. Agree and continue. Enter 6-digit PIN, or skip. Continue. Login to your HUAWEI ID. Or do it later. More, next. Next you can share analytics, location services, enable automatic updates, or you can now import data from your other smartphone or set up as new device. You can change navigation method between gestures and free button. Set up apps you would like to download. Tap Next, agree, and it's set. Your smartphone has been set up. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.